Welcome back, everyone. We'll be spraying gel coat. Got it all sanded down. I didn't sand the bottom too much. I didn't remove paint again too much on the bottom. I could care less about the bottom. I just want the top to look decent. I've been messing around with my respirator, so go ahead and screw the respirator. I'm just gonna spray it without it. I'll put my fan over there though. And that's the reason why I don't wear my respirator that much. Because on a real note, the dang thing will loosen. It's leaking. Okay, here we go. Come on. I'd recommend doing this in a well-ventilated area. Let's see the ding. Some of this is not perfect, but I think once I do a little sanding and then I'll re-gel coat it, I think we'll get to where we want to be. I did tell Horizon about the issues with the air bubbles in the hull, and Horizon I think is going to send me a whole new hull. So I don't know what the deal is with that. Come on, you there. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry for about, they say you should wait a whole day, but I'm gonna probably wait an hour or two, come back to see how it is, and we'll probably do a little sanding and then re-gel coat it, and hopefully you get what we want. I mean, from 100 feet away it looks badass, but once you're up to it, I mean, you can see all the air bubbles. I tried fixing them, but it's hard because there's little gaps and stuff cut, and but I want to say huge thanks to Marine Coat 1 Products for sending out the gel coat. It's spraying fairly nice through my $12 paint gun, so it's the first time using that spray gun, so ain't too bad. I don't know if I'm gonna spray the Ford with it though. I might get a $300 paint gun for it, which I mean still cheap for a paint gun, but I don't know. That's putting $600 paint through a $12 gun. That's a lot to risk. So, alright, well, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video. Just thought I'd make this little video spraying this down. I know, should probably be wearing a respirator, but the damn respirator ain't working, so. But I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. So.